European Union Commissioner for International Cooperation and Development, the head of delegation of the European Union for the Pacific, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Bula Vinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. I'm delighted to be here with you all to officially open the new office of the delegation of the European Union for the Pacific here in Suva, together with Commissioner Mimsa. As I said in my speech to the EU-ACP gathering yesterday, Fiji greatly values its long-standing relations with the European Union, dating back to 1975 with the establishment of Fiji's diplomatic mission in Brussels. We're delighted as a nation to host the EU's Pacific base in Suva, and this new office in the Tappoo City complex reinforces the strength of that relationship. Your continuing presence here also reinforces the importance of Suva as a regional hub. And without wanting to sound arrogant or presumptuous, can I make the observation that any organization that seriously wants to engage with the Pacific would do well to emulate the European League by also establishing or maintaining its Pacific headquarters in our capital. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, the European Union has been a key development partner of the Pacific Island nations, and this upgraded facility is a firm statement to everyone of your continuing presence here and your desire to engage with us. At an operational level, I'm told that this new office will enable the EU to better facilitate its projects throughout the region and continue the great work that you have always done. We all share a commitment to work together for the advancement of ordinary men and women, both in Fiji and across the Pacific. As we especially appreciate the principled stand of the European Union in embracing sound policies to deal with the crisis we are facing because of climate change. On this issue of vital importance for our collective security, you have chosen to stand shoulder to shoulder with us in advocating the deep cuts in carbon emissions that the scientists say are needed to tackle rising sea levels, and for that we are truly grateful. And also put on record Fiji's appreciation for the positive engagement that has always been the hallmark of your ambassador, Ambassador Andrew Jacobs and his team. We wish them well in their new headquarters in the important work that will be done here. It is I must say that it's such an impressive place. And I understand that this office serves more countries in the world than any European Union office, so that's also a first for us. And I know it will serve Fiji and the Pacific well. I now have the great pleasure to officially open the new office of the delegation of the European Union for the Pacific. Thank you very much.
Beautiful.
Here you go. Thank you.